I mean, the title of the video says it. Damn, I don't think it would be this hard. I debated on making this video just because, I don't know, it just feels kind of personal, I guess, but I've been uploading every week for going on 6 years now. So I just kind of felt like it was necessary to let, I don't know, I guess you know what's going on in my life. Monday, I found out that my mom died. It was that evening. She went to the hospital Sunday night just because she was not doing well. But there was no indicator to let me know that Monday would be the last time I would see her. And it's, I don't know. She's not been great for like a year, but I just didn't think that it would just be over like that. I did get to see her at least one more time on Monday before she passed away, but yeah, I don't know. I'm mostly making this video just to tell you that I'll be stepping away for, I don't know, a few weeks, maybe longer, maybe shorter. But I've just got to be there for my dad, try to help him get things figured out. That's what I've been doing this week, just trying to make sure he's okay. Just being there, grieving with him, and just being around. Yeah, I don't know. I've had a lot of people just ask me like if there's anything they can do, and I just don't know what to say. I'm grateful for the outpouring of love from people, but I just don't know what I need right now. But I'll be posting because I have to post because I rely on the income from this channel to survive right now. That's not me like begging for anything. It's just being honest. Like I have to make videos to get by on with life. It's just how it is right now. But I've got somebody helping me compile a list to do compilation videos that I can just easily put together and throw up for you. But as far as new content goes, it'll be a little bit as I try to figure all this out. But, you know, if you pray, just please pray for my family. Pray for my dad because he's, you know, they were married for 41 years. And it's been hard on him. But I'm there for him. And I'm going to continue to be there for him. And that's why I'm stepping away, just to make sure we can get him settled and everything okay. But, yeah. I mean, that's it, really. Hope you're all doing well. Just hug your loved ones, make sure they're okay. And just, yeah, be good.